Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here to learn node.js in a simple and easy way, right? So I'm sharing my real-time experience with you guys to help you to be a backend developer, node.js developer. So in our today's topic we will learn about script tag. So yeah, in package generation some scripting is there, right? Scripts. So what is the use of this script? Okay, so for to run this to run our project, what we'll use. Guys, we just use nodemon app.js. In our last video we have seen that how nodemon work, right? npm nodemon package works. So yeah, so using nodemon we have to use nodemon as well. So in this video we will discuss about inside the package.json we can add scripts. So how we can add our script, our own scripts here. So guys, let me show you the project structure first. Okay, so this is our project structure, right? So yeah, this is app.js and this is package.json. Okay, as I show you earlier. So now what we have to do, we just go to our package.json here, only this one. In the project package.json, just remove this test script and we have to add our own script, which will start. So this is the starting point of this is a start script. So we are going to define our own starting point. Okay, so that just use a start script here and we have to type node app.js. so what it will do, guys, let me explain it. So in the command prompt you have to go, then type npm start. So when we type this command in our project npm start, it will go, our project will go, means the console will go to the controller will go to the our project. Okay, this project here only, and it will look for structure each and every file, and it will look for json package or json file first of all, and it will inside the package or json it will look for a script tag, and inside that script it will look for a start. Okay, start script. So we have added this start script here only, node app.js. So when we and it will execute it will execute the start script. So npm start, what basically npm start does, npm start go to the package.json of our project, and it will search for scripts and it will look for a start script and it will just execute the start script. Okay, so it will hit this command only, and yeah, just press enter here, npm start. Okay, what we will see, our project is running, right, and it's closed. So if you want to use nodemon here, so the interesting thing is instead of node you have to use nodemon only. So just save it here, and this is a small topic, guys, very important. But so when we just type npm start again, it will run the project in watch mode. So watch mode is also called node mode. Okay, so our it's watching for the next changes. So we just started our project in by using npm start, right? So it's starting, we don't have to restart it again and again, it's just using the normal. So this is the topic, guys, a small topic but very effective actually, how we can start the project using npm start. So instead of nodemon and node app.js. Okay, if previously what we have done, node app.js, right? node app.js, then we moved to nodemon app.js, then we are here only to npm start, right? So npm start. So these are the three things we have already covered up, right? So first we have used node, then nodemon, then npm start. So right now we are using npm start. Okay, so to run a simple javascript file you have to use node and nodemon, and to run it through script tag. Okay, and you can declare your own script, start script here. So yeah, you have to declare the nodemon app.js root folder. This is our project file, right? Main project file. So yeah, that's all about npm start. Thank you, guys. Thank you.